How good is this smart home hub from Aqara? Well, number one, this is a smart home hub and it connects to Aqara's smart home products. They all use something called Zigbee, or at least most of them do. And this hub allows you to attach all of these relatively inexpensive products from Aqara to this single hub. And then that allows you to create really sophisticated automations. This is also an IR blaster, so you can even control things like your TV, your air conditioner, and a lot of other things that have those little remotes. Number two, you can use a simple USB connection to power this hub, and I've even used USB ports on power bars. Plus it has an Ethernet port, or you can use Wi-Fi to connect this to your home's network. Setup's easy, and working with Aqara's app is very easy too. This hub also gives you access to Apple HomeKit, and it's one of the very few hubs that does that. Of course, you can use Amazon and Google Voice Assistants too. Number three, it can help you to create an entire DIY security system. And with just a few cameras from Aqara, you can make a very effective one for yourself and your family. Again, all of this is very inexpensive when compared to other smart home systems and hubs, especially when you look at the capability of the security system and the level of automations you can create. So from my perspective, this is one of the best budget buys when it comes to a smart home hub. The M2 is also the cutting edge hub from Aqara, so this is the one you're gonna wanna buy from them.